Episode 1 Getting to Know Each Other.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Alex. It's nice to talk with you today.
It's nice to talk with you too. How are you feeling?
I feel calm today, not busy.
That's good to hear. Calm days are important.
Yes, life is often very fast.
I agree. That's why we like slow conversations.
Exactly. Slow talks help me think.
Can you tell me a little about your day?
Sure. I woke up early, but I didn't rush.
That sounds nice.
I had breakfast. Then I read a little.
What did you read?
Just a short article. Nothing difficult.
Simple reading is good practice.
Yes. I enjoy learning slowly.
That's a great way to start the day.